I'm Dan Cole, and I've been doing photography since 2006. Mercer is someone who really inspires me. She's a good friend, and she's probably the busiest photographer I know. Like just watching her navigate the photography world, I think she has a lot to teach other photographers about being humble and being caring about other people, because like the big part of it is taking photos, but a really big part that she brings to it is the relationship.
Hi, I'm Mercer, and I've been doing photography for about 10 years now. So I look at a lot of women that create either furniture or ceramics or art or painting, whatever it is, and I keep a collection of those, and then a lot of that transpires in a conceptual shoot for me later on, which is really cool to see that these women are doing their own type of art, but it becomes an inspirational element for me within my own work. I definitely think now in this time and day and age, that's when people are starting to notice other women and photography, and there's so many things in society that are shifting, and I think that it's important for us as creators to be aware of what's happening within society and what's happening in politics, because those very much are actual life elements playing out before our eyes, and they should be visually seen within like photos. It's no longer this thing where it's only men succeeding in this industry, and I think a lot of the men want to see women succeeding just as much. And I know friends that formulated Way Up North, Nordica Photography, and they had women speaking on a whole panel for this last series of Way Up North, which is amazing. In my experience of 10 years, that hasn't happened yet. That's the really cool thing about where we're at, is we're creating a historical element to women growing in this industry and really seeing a trajectory of women making a name for themselves.